Hi, myself Nancy, and today we are going to learn about daily activities related conversation part 2nd. So, before starting the video, I have one request for all my viewers. Watch the video till the end. I hope whatever your doubt, queries may be crystal clear, means शीशे की तरह sharp. In this video, basically we are going to learn some more examples related to daily activities. So, without wasting our time, let's start. So, let us see example 1. Sentence is, what time do you get up? Instead of get up, we can use different words just by adding these words. See this word. Have breakfast, leave home, leave for work, return home, go to bed. How we use these words in sentence, let us see. Number 1 example, by adding this word we see that have breakfast. Question arrive here, what time do you have breakfast? Means what time do you have breakfast? Next, leave home. In sentence, what time do you leave home? Means when you are going outside, somebody is asking, what time do you leave home? Next word, leave for work. In sentence, what time do you leave for work? Next word is return home. In sentence, what time do you return home? Next word is go to bed. In sentence, what time do you go to bed? Example 2. In this example, we see that in right side question is given and in left side answer is written or given. So let's start. Number 1 question is, what time do you get up? Answer, I get up at 7:15. Means he or she get up at 7:15. Next question, what time do you have breakfast? So answer is here, I have breakfast about 8:15. Means he have her breakfast at 8:15. Next question, what time do you leave home? Next question, what time do you leave home? Answer replied, I leave home at a 8:45. Means he leave home at 8:45. Here 8:45 means 8:45. 8:45. Next question, what time do you go to bed? Answer replied, I go to bed about 11 o'clock. Means he go to his bed approximately 11 o'clock. Example 3. Here we can see that both side the question is asked. Both side the question is asked. But same questions in different way, in different form they are asking. How? Let us see. Number 1 form is, what time do you have breakfast? This question only we can ask in another way, when do you have breakfast? Another question, next example, what time do you go to school? This question in different way we can ask, when do you go to school? Next question, what time do you get to the office? This question only we can ask in another form is, when do you get to the office? Next example, what time do you eat lunch? This question only, what time do you eat lunch? This question only we can ask in different way is, when do you eat lunch? Next example is, what time do you leave for home? This question in different form we can ask, when do you leave for home? Example 4, here we can see that in left side the question is given and in right side the answer is given. So let's start. Number 1 example, do you watch television very often? Answer replied, yes, I do. If somebody asks you, how often do you watch television? Your answer should be, I watch it twice a week. Next example, does John watch television very often? Your answer, yes, he does. Next question, how often does John watch television? Answer, he watches it twice a week? Next question. Do the boys watch television very often? Answer. Yes, they do. Next question. How often do the boys watch television? Answer. They watch it twice a week. Here is some information for all my viewers. If you want to learn more basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana, and also you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below. Go and check it. If this video is really helpful to you, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching the video. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.